Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have code and tools. Start now. First, confirm Git is installed and you have a GitHub account. That saves time later. Initialize your local project with Git init, then stage and commit your files using git add and git commit m initial commit. Once done, create a new repository on GitHub and choose public or private. Make sure to copy the remote URL, HTTPS or SSH, because you will link it in the next step. Now link your local repo to GitHub and push. Add the remote with git remote add origin followed by the URL. Verify with git remote v so you know it's correct. Set your default branch name, for example git branch m main, and push with git push u origin main to upload commits and establish tracking. If authentication prompts appear, choose HTTPS with a token or set up SSH keys. Once configured, future pushes are smooth and automated by your credential helper. Finish by validating the repo on GitHub. Look for your commits, files, and correct branch. Add or edit README, license, and git ignore to make the project usable. Update description and topics so others can find it. If something goes wrong, first stay calm. Check git remote v, confirm you push to the intended branch, and verify authentication. If errors persist, run git fetch and git status to diagnose, resolving the remote or auth issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.